All right, y'all. Account is blown. We're back again to my camera. The futures challenge is looking over with. It honestly was my own fault. So I knew we were bullish because of this 30 minute. We came down big up, in this 10 minute, boom, 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 boom. But we were in this gap. We had three gaps: 5 minute, 3 minute, and 10 minute all lined up. I marked all of them. I had drawn them all, literally drew them all, and it looked like we're coming out of the 5 minute one, and that's when I got in a short, and I should have just waited for it to confirm with my bias that we were bullish. But sometimes things look bullish and then they change bearish. Like, you never know what the market's gonna do. But once we got this close here, I got in early thinking we were gonna close, as you see my two pink dots, and then we wound up going back in and not inverting to the downside, and then we immediately, boom, stopped me out. It also glitched on me and got in two contracts and not one, which I don't understand. And then now this is the trade we need. Now, we wouldn't have gotten in this trade until probably like somewhere way up here. I tried to get in again, but obviously my account is blown. But we still are not even close to the 40 ticks. We probably are going to get it though. Yes, yeah, it's just so slow, honestly. And so I am going to take a break. I'm going to join JR's Discord. He's the one who's doing those 1,000, 4,000% returns all the time. And I'm gonna see if I can learn how to do it myself. If I have to set alerts, or if I really just sit on the charts all day with options, because clearly I need a new computer to get a Windows to trade Ninja Trader. So it's not looking ideal for me either. I do think we're gonna hit those 40 ticks. I hope. I'll look later. But yeah, sorry to keep going back and forth with you on YouTube. But I think it'll be a break from posting anyway. I think I'm just gonna learn in the Discord. Maybe I can post stuff. I'm gonna finally joining Traffic Hackers with TikTok Shop. I joined Dom's. We went over the audit, and it's still good stuff. Regular stuff, and I feel like I'm doing that even with the brand deal I'm posting in his Discord. And everyone's like, your videos are good, blah blah blah, but why are they not converting? Why are they not going viral? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna join Traffic Hackers because they at least everyone never Traffic Hackers, so they learn the skill of how to make viral videos. So then they know they're at a point where they know their videos are going viral. They're making 5K weeks, 60K monthly. They're going crazy. Now a lot of stay-at-home moms are doing that too, but they're doing a lot of makeup and a lot of clothes. And my clothing videos do get more views than my regular supplement videos. But I still have the same supplement going viral for me, this medicine that I'm just over promoting. I'm over promoting it because like I don't know, I just feel kind of iffy about it now, but I need to just double down on it. But I'm gonna try to lock it on options because then I don't need to spend $1,000 on a nice computer. And we'll see if I can learn it, if it's a thing. Again, if we come back, then I'll just be doing these futures, being patient with ES, and just doing the things. And I know I'm honestly at a point where like I'm over trading out and locking on TikTok Shop, but my fiance is like, no, we've been doing this. You've been doing this for like a year and a half. Like, you need to see it through, and that's my problem. I don't see stuff through. But even at this point with dropshipping, I was making 50K months. Like, I didn't enjoy dropshipping. I enjoyed trading. I don't enjoy trading anymore though. That's the problem. I enjoy TikTok Shop. I generally enjoy TikTok Shop. And it's crazy. I'm like, ecom keeps pulling me back. And I don't know if I could want to do dropshipping again, but so we're gonna say I'm not giving up on trading for sure. It might be even swing trading options. It's just the everyday. I can't. We're gonna see. Thank y'all for all who follow my journey. It's just a little bump in the road per usual. I'll probably join these Discords tonight or tomorrow, maybe, or after my mom's birthday this weekend, and really just lock in. But today's only Wednesday, so I could lock in tomorrow, watch a bunch of videos tomorrow, and watch a bunch of videos Friday. My goalie comes on Friday, which I'm excited about. They're putting ads behind everyone's videos, so we're gonna see if I can get ads put behind my videos. That's what I'm looking at, and it's gonna be great. Viral video formats that I've done that, like, as soon as someone copies, like, replicates the video perfectly, ad spin. So I'm hoping I can get on that wave. It's not too late. But yeah, the futures journey is on a break right now because I'm tired of doing prop firms, but I can't be risking $500 of my own money every day either. So it might be, I might come back still, because it's still like Alpha Futures is only $70. That's only the cheapest one now. My funded futures is 127 and then 119 for take profit, which isn't terrible. But if I'm doing this and I risk, I'm risking $500, which makes 4 trades. Every 4 trades, I need a new account. I don't really lose 4 in a row, but every week and a half, that does add up. Like the prop firms add the fuck up. I've already made my money back from trading from TikTok Shop. Like I'm that like I don't want to waste money trading like people do. Like I spent 10,000. Like now my point though, it does suck. Like I either gotta buy a prop firm or I gotta paper trade, which isn't ideal either. Um, but you know we gotta go from there. So I think I'll just paper trade options for now and see, or paper trade futures. I don't know. We're gonna see, but I'm at a paper trading point for sure. Paper trading and learning point for sure. And then we'll go back from there. I don't want to waste money. If I'm losing, I don't like. I only spent like $2,000 this year from trading, and I want to keep it that way. Okay, don't want to be blowing money. I was thinking about dropshipping. I was 30K in debt when I made that 50K month, and the profit margins were like 8 grand, so I didn't even get the debt down. You see what I'm saying? That's why. Versus like trading, your profit margins are all, and TikTok Shop, your profit margins are all. Obviously, you're not getting all the sale, but you're getting all your commission. There's no, you get what your commission is what you get, and that's what I like about it. So yeah, it sucks. It really sucks. That's why I don't know. People, I see how people think everyone's a scammer because when you really try to get rich for real, it's actually very fucking hard. It's so hard. So I don't know. But I think that's why people don't document it and then they just come out when they're rich. So, but yeah, we'll see y'all. See y'all later.